So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my new video. In this previous video we learned how to get all operators from Bangladesh using country code. So in this new video we will learn how to make a top up, how to recharge a number by using this reloadly API. So first of all, I will make this text view scrollable using scroll vertical because I have to see the operator's ID by using this technique. So first of all, place your scroll view here, make it wrap and put your linear layout here, then put your edit text here, or you can simply place the edit text there. So after doing this, now I am receiving the all operators from Bangladesh here by using this method. You can see it here. I am requesting the sandbox API to show me the all operators from Bangladesh using this country code BD. So in this video I will request the API to send an top up, an example using sandbox to a number. As it is a test method, it will not really recharge the number, it will just show how to recharge, how does it works when it works as live. So you have to use sandbox if you are testing, and you have to use live if you have to use without sandbox if you aren't testing this API. So let's see how to work with this. First of all, place edit text here and change the hint into number. Okay, then we will pick another edit text and we will place here operator ID here. So every operator has its different IDs, that's why we need operator IDs for making a top up to an mobile number. So let's pick a button and let us rename it into send top up. So it will actually recharge the number. We can use send recharge also. So after doing this, we are getting the requested operators here, then we will enter the number here, then operator ID here, then we will also add another edit text and we will change the hint into amount, as how much amount we are sending to a number. So after doing this, let's go on send top up on click method. After reaching here, I have made some blocks for OKHTTP, as you can see it here. So I will pick OKHTTP client block and then this block. So I will pick this block for my work, and this method block at header we have to pick 3 at header. I will teach you how did I earn this in the now. So after doing picking this all, we have to use this block also, and we have to pass this string in this JSON. Then let's go, we have to use actually try catch method to work with this API. Actually, for as getting which error is happening in this in the main thread, we have to use try catch. As I am not using assign task method, as it's deposited in API 32. So let's use try catch method to catching the error from the API. Write it like this, and here we have to write catch exception E. Okay, after writing this, we will get the error to our text view. So after doing this, we have to make some variables. I am showing you how to do this, but before doing this I will remove my old variables as I have made it here. So you don't have to use this method because I have made some variables before, that's why I am removing this. So I'll make those variable again. So click on add custom variable and write OK HTTP client, then make a variable called client here. So after making it, we have to make a media type variable. So again click on add custom variable and type media type. Media type here. So after typing it, just add it. Then we have to make a request body variable. So write request body here. So after writing it, we have to use body. So I have created using this, and we have to make a request variable. So we have made those variable we need. Then we will click on OK HTTP client, then we will select client, and on media type we will select type. So on request we will select request, and then on request body we will select the variable in this point. You will find the block in description. I have given a link. So actually I didn't made the response variable, so I have to make a response variable to receive the response. So after making it, just select it right like this. So we will show the JSON that we have received from the API to our. So for this we will add a new edit text. So after here we have to select response variable, then let's add a new edit text here, and it will receive the data provided by the API from in text view 3. Then we can simply get the error from the requested method by using. So we have to use this string block here, and we will write e.to a string to get the error. Actually you don't need to do this method. If you don't want to do this method, you don't need to do this. So here we can see the code, how does it works. As I made some block for you guys. So you have to copy this and you have to paste this in here. So let's paste it here. Then we don't need this JSON actually, because I have created already a JSON string to use it. Then we will copy this link to set URL. So as I told you, we are using it for test purpose. We have to use sandbox here. Then on this method we have to use post method to post this data in the API. Then on add header we have to use authorization actually. Sorry guys. So copy this authorization and paste it on this add header. Then go on operator section and pick a join end block and write bearer here. After writing in, put a space, and we will actually get the API authorization key from text view 1, as I have shown in this previous video how to request an authorization key from this read-only API. So we will get it from text view 1. And on the second header we will accept JSON. We will add accept, then we will add this line. So after copying it, we will paste it here. Remove this colon from here. Then we will pick content type. We will just copy content type and paste it here. Then we will copy this application JSON, as we are getting the JSON from this API. So after doing this thing, we are done. We have to use operator ID, as you can see it here. So we'll get the operator ID from here. You can see that we are actually getting the operator key from edit text 2 and amount from edit text 3 and number from edit text 1. So operator ID is edit text 2. For this I have to use edit text 2 here. So I will use edit text 2 for the operator ID. I will show you how to get the operator ID. As we are requesting the API to get all operators from Bangladesh. The JSON will show how much operator in Bangladesh are available under this API. So in amount we will use edit text 3 for amount, and as country code I will use just BD. If you want to add any country code, you can add. So I will use here BD, and the receiver number will be picked from edit text 1, and the sender country code will be BD, and the sender number will be a simple number. So as you can view this JSON here. So after doing this method, we are done already. We have to go on import, and we have to pick this import block and paste this line here. Then on create method, we have to use this code. You can find it in the description. So after doing these things, we are done already. We can run this application, and we will test this application if it works successfully. So after installing it, we have to open it, and first of all we will get the API authorization key from our API. So we have got the API authorization key from our API. Then we will get all operators from Bangladesh by clicking on get all operators from Bangladesh. So here you can see that available operators here, and the Airtel operator is 26 and the Ruby operator is 25, and you can see this bonus things also, 55 minutes per 30 SMS 3D. And then after getting this, you can see the fixed price here, and 20 GB 30 days, and it costs 398 taka in Bangladesh. So 28 operator is Banglalink, and I know that 25 operator, so 27 is actually Ruby. So after watching this whole things, we got the Ruby operators here, and I can see the Ruby operators number is it actually 25 is the Ruby operator number from the API, and it is 25. So I'll actually request the API to provide me. So I will pick a number as example. For example, I have picked this number, and the amount will be, the lowest amount is 50. I will use 50. Then the operator ID will be 25 as 25 defense Ruby. Then I will send top up. After I click questions, as you can see this API successfully send and top up to this number. So guys, it ends here. Upcoming videos will be about Firebase and other things. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest videos.